This is a China bus model. You have butterfly clips in this, and ending blocks will let you know how to use it. This is a total China bus model. Let me put it away. And you have the tracks. Okay. The tracks are all different sizes. You need to match them. Now let me show you. See, they are not matching. Either you can place this track in between, or you can directly attach the only two tracks. But let's attach the three tracks. Now I'm showing you how to do it. After completing, take these butterfly clips. Okay, this butterfly clips you need to open and place at the junctions, so that these two planks will stay together. Similarly, connect here also. This is little tricky, but still you can do it. Make sure that these channels are actually aligned, because wheels need to go in through this. They should not block here. Let me show this one. You can actually hold it here and lift it. Right now, all tracks are good. What you need to do, place this here. Now here there is a little tricky part. See the wheels. Wheel should be exactly inside the channel. Now this is the front part. Yeah, please come this side. Now here also wheels must be inside the channel. Okay. Now once you are done, please check all four wheels whether they are in channel or not. Just with hand move it slightly, so that you will feel whether they are in the channel or not. Once done, what you need to do, these are the end blocks. You need to place at the ends, otherwise this bus will move away and goes forward. This is most important. You have to place the end blocks for sure. Without this, bus will move away continuously. Now let us see how this is working. There is a switch inside. Okay, turn on the switch and leave the cap as it is. Within 5 seconds, it will start moving. You can see that it stopped here, and there is a small bump. I think you have experienced. Right. Now it stops. So even without touching the obstacle or the end block, the bus will stop. If the surface is even, there won't be any ups and downs, and the bus will move forever forward and backward. So if you want to stop the bus, whenever it is in stop position, open this lid and turn off the switch. These batteries will run for a little of 30 to 40 minutes. After that, please check the voltage and replace the batteries. Now this is the whole system. You have two ultrasonic sensors here, and that's all.